Welcome to Amity Campus, New York. Amity Campus is situated in Oakdale, Long Island. This train station connects Oakdale with Manhattan and is just a 15-minute walk from the Amity campus. This is a beautiful 170-acre campus. The campus is very safe because it offers a 24-hour security system. When I first entered this place on 2nd of April as a 3C student, I was surprised with the greenery and serenity of this place. There are extensive green fields in the campus where students can play, enjoy, and lay down in the sunlight. This is the Centennial Hall, which plays an essential role in the academics and professional activities of the campus. All the major guest lectures, workshops, seminars, and interactive sessions are held in the Centennial Hall. This amphitheater can approximately accommodate 400 students at once. Right opposite the Centennial Hall is the Brother Miguel Hall, which is well equipped with the latest technologies for the mass communication students and the engineering students. It has latest 30 Apple computers inside. Moving on, right next to the Miguel Hall is an impressive structure of St. Joseph Hall. This is the boys' accommodation. The accommodation offers basic amenities like common hall, television, washing machine, microwave, room heaters, cleaned services, and linens, and so on. The boys' accommodation St. Joseph has a breathtaking view of the lake. Students often spend their evenings playing basketball in the basketball area, gymming in the gym area, or playing cricket in the extensive green fields. The best part is that the campus has its own private beach.
It's good and peaceful here. We have the beach right in our campus where we can go and chill and hang out whenever we want to, when we're sad or whenever we want to read a book or something, but it's really nice.
The campus offers 3 meals in a day with a variety of different cuisines including Indian, Italian, and Chinese.
It was nice to learn about different cuisines, how English people would actually cook Indian food. It was interesting.
Similar to boys' accommodation, this is the girls' accommodation Malloy Hall. The girls over here live very comfortably with all the basic necessities provided to them. Along with that, they have table tennis and pool to play in the common hall. As a 3-continent student, I experienced a diverse culture over here. The university took us to the United Nations, Niagara Falls, Washington DC, and they are taking us to Boston as well.
It's like lovely meeting all the different people from different cultures and learning different languages and knowing different people that actually are same as we are. Like everyone is same as we are, but they just have the different lifestyle, and they were so welcoming, and I have actually like created a different kind of confidence in myself. That was the major thing that I learned in this trip.
You will learn to meet a lot of people, like how you can communicate with them, and then how can you benefit with them and they can benefit with you at the same time, so that you can basically do a business together.
Turn into global citizens?
Yeah, exactly.
I would always recommend people to come here and experience this because it's a great leap for a student, as you know, towards becoming a global citizen.